Good morning, YouTubers and Facebookers. Yesterday I showed you the 1200 series, the blue one, the Baldwin designed locomotive built in the Netherlands. This is a jubileum version from Fleischmann. This is the road number 1216. I don't know if you can see it. It's 1216, and this was brought out in honor of 150 years Dutch railways. So this was actually a color at one time. I think they were in the beginning, I think it was turquoise or something, and then blue, brown, then blue, and then yellow gray, as most of the locomotives were for the longest time. So this thing is I bought it in the 90s. 1990 actually. I have the receipt here. April 1990. So this thing is almost 25 years old. And I just grabbed it out of the box. It barely ran. Because I kept buying that stuff, but I didn't have time. I had to work and always traveling. So yeah, finally I get to enjoy this model. So here you can see I bought it on 14th April 1990 in Purmerend, which is in the North Holland province, for 275 guilders. The euro was introduced January 1st, 1999, so that would have been 275. I think they exchanged for 225 a euro, 2 guilders 25 euro, so that would have been 140 euros or something. So this is the sheet. Betriebsanleitung, that means manual, service manual. And here is the certificate. It's a copy. The original is in the box. I translated it a little bit. I'll put a picture on post. I am figuring out how to post pictures on YouTube. I will do that in case you're interested. And yeah, it's a really nice model. It's a Fleischmann. See, it's a 3-point lights. They change direction. The only thing is the later versions I think came with a red light. This one have the 3-point, and then the other one was red when you turned. He'll come around soon. Thank you for the comments on the layout, by the way. It's quite a large layout. I'm really happy with it. And it's a lot of variety, a lot of things to do. It really keeps me busy. So this one came out of the box. I didn't even oil it. It just ran right away. 25 years in a box. It's unreal. Fleischmann quality. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be back with another one soon. Cheerio.